Hi guys, I'm back, and today will be one of the learning vlog that I would like to share to all of you. And this is applicable for those local tourists and also foreigners who would visit Eastern Visayas as I continue to showcase the Waray culture. So, as we all know, guys, that Philippines have a lot of languages. Myself can speak four languages that we use, Tagalog, Waray, Bisaya, and Ilonggo. And all of it I learned from having vacations, and because I also what I am also interested in learning new language, so I interact with my playmates, and also I try to immerse and learn the culture every time I have an opportunity to visit the place. All right, so I have prepared different parts of short videos containing different topics as well so that I can easily or gradually introduce the words that we are using. And we will start in this first part of the video with the polite words and greetings that we use. So, for the polite words, we will start with how you ask favor or how you ask something. So if you're asking for a favor and you want to say please, please in Waray is la yun. So if I'm gonna use it in the sentence, la yun pagkatuk daw. Pagkatuk daw is stand up. So please stand up. That's it. And if you're asking for something, like you want to ask for a coffee, um, if you're gonna say, can I ask for a coffee? You can say, pwede for can, ako, which is I, umaro, umaro, which is ask, hin for coffee, kape. Pwede ako umaro hin kape. So that's it. And now, if you wanna express gratitude, you can say thank you. In Waray, we say it as salamat. And salamat is also used for the mostly in the Philippines as thank you. But if you want to say thank you very much, you can say salamat hin madamo. In Waray, it's salamat hin madamo. In different regions, they speak it differently. But in Waray, we use madamo. Salamat hin madamo. Okay, now if you're trying to apologize or ask um, ask for what do you call that? Ask for forgiveness. In Waray, we say I'm sorry as pasaylo ako. Pasaylo is sorry. Ako is I. I I so pasaylo ako. That's how we say sorry in Waray. And for um, expressing approval or rejection, or you don't like it, a disagreement, then in you saying yes or no, yes in Waray is oo, no is diri. Say, so if someone says, um, is this the book that you're referring to, then you can say dere if it's not dere. Simple as yes or no. So those are the simple, polite words, and because in Waray we are often tagged as very, we have that very strong accent, and we're like fighters like that. So it's very important that you are polite because you might instigate misunderstanding on how we perceive how you interact with us. All right, let's move to our next topic, which is how you say Waray greetings. Let's start on how you start a conversation. Hi, hello. You can actually use either, you can still say hi, hello. We can understand it, and most Filipinos will do because English is part of our curriculum. But we prefer in Waray to use good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So when you start a conversation, you say, for good morning, you say maupay, which is good. Morning, naaga. Aga is morning. So you just put na to indicate, to emphasize it's morning. Maupay na aga. So good morning, maupay na aga, like that. And then if it's yeah, if you want to say good afternoon, then you can say maupay na kulup. Kulup is afternoon. And if it's evening or night, you can say maupay na gabi. Gabi is night. Good night or good evening. You can also still use maupay na gabi. So that's it. Now, if you will you want to get to know more information about them. So let's start with, what is your name? Okay, you can say ano imo ngaran. Ngaran is name. Ano is what, and then is your name. Imo refers to you. What is your name? Ano imo ngaran? Okay, and when you answer, if somebody asks you, ano imo ngaran, you can answer it with ako, he, or I am. Example, I am Ninya. So I say it in Waray as ako, he, Ninya. So that's it. Yes, next, how are you? In Waray, you can say, kumusta ka? And then if somebody asks you the same question in Waray, you can answer, okay la ako, which means I'm okay. Okay. La is to emphasize that your feeling. So la ako, I am okay. Instead, okay la ako. Where are you from? So if you're asking for a place, for the location, where are you from? In Waray, we use taga. It means you're asking for the for a place. Taga diin ka. Where are you from? Diin, from, it refers to you the origin. Where, taga diin ka. Okay, so if you want to answer it, you can say taga. If I'm gonna answer it, taga Palo ako. It means I am from Palo. Taga Palo ako. Taga. Remember taga. It refers to a place. Taga. Taga diin ka. Tagapalo ako. That's it. All right. And next, what do you do? If you're trying to ask for his work or profession, what do you do? You can answer, you can say it in Waray as, um, ano imo trabaho? What is your work? Ano imo trabaho? So, ano, what? Again, imo, your, trabaho, work. What is your work? So, if you want to answer that question, if somebody asks you also, you can answer it is with simple your profession and then ako, like me, nurse ako. So, or I'm a nurse, like that. All right, so let's go with how you will be able to end a conversation. Instead of saying goodbye, or we actually use also goodbye or bye bye, but most of us use like to be more polite, you can say, I'll go now, thank you. So in Waray, you can say, makadi na ako, salamat. So that sums up our discussion for today. It's only for 2 topics for the meantime, but we please look forward to the next videos that I'll be making. We'll be discussing on the other parts, the directions, mm, the numbers, and also how you express likes, dislikes, and affection. And also, if you want to refer to a third person or a subject, third subject, and so I'll be discussing the term that we are using. So little by little, you get to know the language. And if you have questions or clarifications, you can leave comment on this video. And also, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do so. And thank you for those who already subscribe and who click the bell button and always look after my video. I hope you'll continue watching, and I'll work on giving you more content where you can learn, have fun, travel. So for now, I want to share more about the language, and hope you'll always be in my audience every time I do the vlog. So thank you. Have a nice day.